Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So we are here with another Amazon unboxing. I ordered a bunch of different things and I opened one of them and I'm still not sure what this one's going to be. I don't know if it's like one of two things, but I have an idea. Oh yeah, it is. All right. So this is a set of 150 eyeshadow applicators. I don't wear eyeshadow, so you might be wondering, what? Why is she buying this? This is not a makeup channel. This is not going to turn into a makeup channel. But this is a channel that has a lot of art. And I have been using pan pastels for my 100 hits challenge. And the pan pastels came with two of these little makeup applicators. And I really liked it. And they are called Sofft tools, and they cost a fortune. And I thought, well, why can't I just try regular makeup applicators? Now, they did have some at Dollarama. And normally, I would have gone over to Dollarama and bought them. But they only had 20 in a pack at Dollarama for $1.25. And I think these were like $10 or something like that. Let me see. Yeah, these were $11.99. And that was including the case that it comes in. So to get 20 of them, like 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60. So seven and a half. I would have had to buy 7.5 at the Dollarama to get the same amount. And they weren't $1.25 each. They were $2.25 each. I forgot. So it would have come to more money than actually buying them on Amazon. Yeah, my memory is really bad, but I do know it came to either the same or more money to buy it at Dollarama. And we're having a snowstorm. We've been having a snowstorm for the last couple of days. I am not driving in a snowstorm. So, yeah. I have a little car. It's just has front end drive. I don't have four-wheel drive. So anyway, let's take a look at these. I'm not just trying to figure out where you open them. So yeah, I'm in Canada and I made a mistake of buying a small car that doesn't have four-wheel or all-wheel drive. My other vehicle had four-wheel drive and I wasn't afraid to drive anywhere. But this, I am. So look at this. Yeah, this is exactly what was in the Sofft tools. I don't see much of a difference. Let me grab the Sofft tools one out. Oh yeah, there is a difference. There is a difference. This is the one that came in my Sofft tools. It just has one on the end. There's not two. This has two. And the edge is bigger and rounder. But it still comes to a little tip. And I got two of them. So I don't see any difference between the two. Other than these are way cheaper. And because they're selling these to artists who are willing to pay money, I think that's how they get away with charging that much money. So I will let you know if I like these. I plan on using them with my pan pastels, which is kind of like painting with makeup. Here's a purple one. So you basically would just take your mascara wand or whatever these are called, applicator, and dip it in. And there you have it. And you just use it on the paper. And it's much neater than using regular soft pastels, which are super messy and get all over the place. So I really do like these. Yeah, I'm excited about this. So $11.99 for 150 of these eyeshadow things. Also comes in handy, I guess, if you wear a lot of makeup. I'm not sure. So anyway, I'm just going to close this up. I've got a Leaning Tower of Pisa because these don't want to go together the right way. And one of them is stuck and I can't open it, but that's for another video. These look great. I'm very eager to try them. I'm just going to put this aside. Yeah, very excited about this. In fact, I'm going to take a couple out right now. Let's take 4 of them out. And I'll put them aside to use later tonight. So it's 4 of them. That will give me 8 different colors. Perfect. Because I already have 2 that I started. Oh no, this is very hard to get back in. And I'm just going to put a ponytail clip to hold it together until there's less of them in here, and then it will close. Alright, you guys, that's it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as our channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe, happy crafting, and happy shopping. Bye, guys.